Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix good not update email. Please try again. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to home screen and open up app stores and search for Snapchat. Search for this and update the Snapchat app. I have already updated and go back to home screen. Open up settings app, tap on Wi-Fi. So as you can see, forget this Wi-Fi and reconnect. Go back. So as you can see, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the third one. Delete the Snapchat app and restart your mobile. And your problem has been fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.